Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card and the memory card into your Samsung A40. To do this operation, get your key and push it on the left side here in this little hole. Press it, and as you see, remove the place for our SIM card and the memory card. And now just look at this. This is the place for SIM 1, SIM 2, something like that. Whoop. Okay, we have placed the both of the SIM card, and now place for the memory card is gonna be here. Micro SD card. It's a little hard to place the three options here, but I already do it. And now insert it into this hole here and just press it. Voila. Now phone gonna be connected with all two SIM card and see the memory card into place it into your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.